So I have a brand new power station that is very powerful, but also compact, sleek looking, and easy to carry around. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review, straight to the point and no fluff. And here it is, the Energen 300 from Volcan, and it's true power on the go. This really awesome, sleek design gives you a lot of options for powering your gear. You can charge this up with an AC adapter. It also comes with a DC adapter to charge it up in your car, and you can also add an option for charging it up with solar panels. There is an AC output here that gives you up to 300 watts and a 600 watt peak, which means you can power a lot of gear, and I can even power my speakers and use it to busk out on the streets. I also like to use it to charge up my electric skateboard on the go, giving me a lot more range on a longer ride. On the other side, you get a bunch of options, including two USB-A 18 watt outputs, a USB-C 18 watt output, and a USB-C with 60 watts, which means I can plug in my MacBook Pro and it will keep it charged up. There's also a DC 5521 output at 120 watts. On the top of this section, there is a power button to power it on, a power save button, which can be used to keep the battery regulated, and it also helps keep the battery lasting longer. And there's also a button to turn on the LED light on the other side. And this light is nice and bright with a couple of brightness levels on it, and SOS mode and a faster flash mode. It has a really nice looking LED screen to see all of the info, letting you know your power consumption and the ports being used. And the whole thing weighs just under 8 pounds and has a nice comfortable handle on it to carry it. And because it has this slim design, it makes it super easy to travel with and super easy to use it on the go. So it's perfect for camping, working remotely, or gaming on the go, and also a good failsafe at home just in case your power goes out for a longer period of time. And check out the link in the description to see the current price and where to get it, because it's currently on Kickstarter and they have some great deals and will be shipping very soon. It is a really excellent power station and I highly recommend it if you are in the market for it. But that's it for today's short, not short product review. Thank you so much for watching. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.